I feel like being there, first of all, doing the groundwork, you feel me? Just going there and promoting yourself. Like, I feel like a lot of our music has traveled, but a lot of people actually went there to open the door by themselves. You know, at their different primes. You feel me? Different legend, different primes. They have all gone there to do the groundwork. They've done the interviews, they've done the shows, even for free. They have done, you know, even music videos there just to up their brand and make the sound seem like it can thrive around that territory. You feel me? There's so much put into the groundwork, as well as I won't just give all the praise to the artist. I'll give the praise also to the team behind each and every artist in their brand that, you know, do a lot of groundwork in those territories and make their artists over there familiar with us. You feel me? Not just the music, but us. You understand?
Thank you.
Yeah.
To export
Honey rocks on your watch piece. Heady nice niggas looking at me. Baby, one more time before they get me. And then they really understand me. But why, I'm an alien, huh? I'm an alien, huh? I'm an alien, huh? I'm an alien, huh? Yeah, thank you so much.
yeah.
Everybody don't ask young people. They ask young people, how are you doing? But they don't ask young people, how are you coping? You feel me? I feel like we have to cope to even know how we are, first off. So it's not just about musically. You also need to understand like where the influence came from. Because most of them, it might be before they got inspired to be musicians. Most of them started due to whatever background they were in or whatever influence they had. You know, it wasn't really influenced by me. I've met a lot of people who have been doing what they do even before they started singing. But I think it's very necessary to ask. Even talent managers should ask, how are you coping? You know, when the doors are shut, when you're not out there, you know, with the cameras and flashing light. Ask those artists, how are you coping? How are you dealing with the pressure? You feel me? How are you dealing with depression? You feel me? No matter how much money you have, like, I can't even deny the fact that sometimes I get sad. Sometimes, you know, I just need a little drink. But I would say it's everyone's decision, but it's also key to have the real ones around you who tell you the truth. If it's not working for you, you stop it. I don't really believe that drugs have inspiration. I don't really believe. I just believe in the mind being at a place of comfort to create. That's how I would see it. But people think, oh, if I take it, I will be so creative. No, your mind actually needs to be eased. Your mind just want to get a lot of things troubled by, a lot of troubles out of, you know, the creative space so that it can actually think straight creatively. So that boils down into the friends around the talent, the manager around the talent, and just keep it real. I don't like to have yes men around me. If I'm doing something wrong, if it's not for me, just tell me the truth, and that's it. That's what I was saying.
That's what's up.
Good evening, everyone. I'm just happy to be here, to be honest. It's like my third time here in Uganda. Every time I've come here, it's been a wonderful time for me. And I've always just come here like just for holidays. I've never actually come here to work or anything. And I'm just, you know, eager to see how it's going to be tomorrow. And I just want everyone to come tomorrow, have fun and enjoy themselves. And you guys are going to enjoy yourselves because I'm going to be giving you guys the vibes before REMA comes on stage. So yeah, everyone just come tomorrow, have fun, and let's just vibe. Thank you.
There you go. Nice. At least London will take REMA around because the streets are yours, London. Like you understand Kampala pretty well. All right. I just want Mr. Ali Alibai from Talent Africa to give us a final remark that we can actually take home and be guaranteed that this is going to be certified dope. Let's do it.
Great, guys. Yeah, just one final word. Remember, the festival is 2 days, October 8th and October 9th, which is Independence Day. There's going to be fireworks. There's going to be lots of things happening. And REMA's performing tomorrow on Saturday. And we have Sauti Soul, who will be our guest artist on Sunday, alongside all the top UG acts. So just come through, get your tickets. Get them today at early bird prices. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the Lugowo Cricket Oval. Thank you very much.
Nice. Thank you.